What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. Thanks for coming along on that ride. I had an absolutely great time. I'm glad that it's finally cooling off a little bit so I can get out there more, not worry about the drone overheating or anything. This was wonderful. I just met these people at the gas station and then followed them out to the trail and, took some videos when they stopped on that little plateau and got some shots of them leaving, and it turned out freaking awesome, guys. I absolutely love flying out in the desert. It's one of the best places to fly a drone because there's not much for you to hit as long as you're above the saguaros. There's a couple lines out there. You'll see one moment in the video where all of a sudden you see lines crossing. I had no idea. I was very happy to be above those lines. I had no problem keeping up with those guys. They were probably going 40, 50 miles an hour and, through some rugged terrain, so I was able to shoot ahead of them and get a few shots as they were coming down the trail. Although that was about half a mile away from me, maybe a little bit further, and extreme wind conditions, which is when it's really nice to have the big drone. If I would have had a Mavic Mini or even a Mavic Air, it would not have handled today. You wouldn't have been able to get it off the ground. This drone goes about 46 miles an hour, and there were a few moments where it was coming at me full speed, doing about 20. I even saw it kind of going a little bit under, so it was extremely windy, and that's something you almost always encounter when you're on top of a mountain or a large hill, but it was definitely multiplied yesterday. So I'm really glad that I was still able to get those awesome shots. I was even able to get up and snap an epic photo of the group, which I'm sure they will super appreciate, because this is kind of like an unexpected treat. If you're out in the middle of the desert, a random drone photographer shows up, and I think they were a little sketched out at first. So shout out to the Dirty Burrow and friends. I appreciate you guys letting me film you, and you guys look super freaking awesome. So hit me up next time. Would love to get more footage of you guys cruising around the desert. You have awesome vehicles. Another thing I just love, 10 years ago, there weren't a bunch of all-terrain vehicles out here, and now it's pretty much all you see. And I personally, I love it. I think it's freaking awesome. I can't wait to get more drone flights in, guys, now that it's cooling down once again. I am super, super stoked for the Mavic 3. The Mavic Mini 2 just came out. Doesn't really get me excited once again. Wouldn't have even been able to use it today. But I am pumped for the 3, so make sure you're subscribed so we can talk about it and make a hilarious amount of videos about it once it comes out. Just getting some more hours in on this bad boy. I have about 90 hours of flight time on this drone now, so I'm thinking I'll get another 20 or 30 before the new one comes out. Kind of, doing a little bit of extra flying recently because I'm just getting excited about it. I'm itching, guys. I'm itching. Stay tuned for that Mavic Pro 3. It's going to be the drone. I can guarantee it, because this drone is the drone, and this drone is pretty old now. The Mavic 2 Zoom. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved that video. I want to bring you more content like that. So if you like it, you know, share it, comment, let me know you liked it, and I will just go ahead and make more, because I had a blast. So that's Nick Corona. Till next time, thanks for hanging out. Peace.
You look good in the summertime. Them tan lines on you make me wanna wine and dine. You bring tears to my eyes cause you that fine. I wanna make you mine. You look good in the summertime. Them tan lines on you make me wanna wine and dine.